and it helps us to get bigger like this. Wow. Okay, it's gonna burn. Whoa. Oh my god. Hi, it's your girl Phoebe. Welcome to our channel. We're Krazy Thursday and we would love to become your go-to source for hassle-free Korean food that tastes better than your Asian takeout. Guys, so how are you during this corona outbreak? There's this sensation of people making Dalgona coffee at home. Dalgona is this Korean sugar candy. This coffee tastes a little bit like that, so that's why people call it the Dalgona coffee, and it's breaking the internet. It's not just Koreans doing it, but people all over the world staying at home are doing it. We thought, why shouldn't we not try? So we're gonna do this right now. So let's get going and let's dive into the ingredients. So let's start with making our Dalgona, the sugar candy. So the drill is you have this saucer here. You're gonna add sugar first, and then you're gonna heat it. Once the sugar melts, you're gonna add teeny little bit of baking soda. And then you're gonna press it with these cute stuff. And for the Dalgona coffee itself, you're gonna need milk, and we need coffee, just a ground coffee. Any coffee will do. I'm just gonna use this brand, Idea brand from Korea. And the original Dalgona coffee, you have to whip it with your own hands. I'm gonna try it 2 ways. First, I'm gonna whip it with my own hands, and the second, I'm gonna get the help from this trusted whipping machine that my mom has kept for 25 years. It's almost as old as I. We are going to get cooking. In this saucer, I'm gonna put in about 4 teaspoons of sugar and turn the gas stove to very low heat. And make sure that the bottom of the saucer doesn't touch this area. If the sugar melts, it's gonna stick together. Oh, it smells so good. The small stores or street stalls, they would sell this for like 50 cents. Right now, before it burns, I'm gonna add a teeny bit of baking soda here. So what this baking soda does is that it helps this to change color. So it has to turn into this very gooey, toffee-like color, and it helps us to get bigger like this. Wow. Okay, it's gonna burn. Whoa. Oh my god. Okay guys, this is round 2. I just failed the first round miserably, so we're gonna try again. I'm gonna add same amount of sugar, 4 teaspoons. So where was I with my story? So again, this is something that we always had after school because the street stalls, the ajashis would be making this in front of our schools, and this smells really nice. So it smells something like toffee. If we successfully cut through the shapes, we would get a freebie. Okay, it's melting. Basically everywhere it says just do it with the tip of your chopstick. That's just how much you'll need. I'm gonna go one more time. Dab. Mix. Can you see this turning color? Okay, I think it's ready now. At the heart, shall we? So while we wait for our sugar candy to rest, we're gonna make our Dalgona coffee now. This is version 1. This is the original version. For this, you're gonna need 1 tablespoon of coffee, 1 tablespoon of hot water, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. About this much. Okay, that's about 111. Here's the deal. Now you have to apparently whip this for about 400 times. But I've seen other review videos and they said I have to do this for like 4,000 times. So here it goes. Right now it's just very runny water. Apparently it's gonna have to turn into this very whipped cream-like texture. I take master class cooking. It's like this online class where you learn from like actual professional celebrities. Apparently when you have to whip something, it's easier when you make this 8 shape. My face is getting red. I'm not sure if people do it because this tastes so good or people are just like bored staying at home doing nothing. And I lost my 8 shape. I just don't care anymore. See, that's why this is called the Dalgona Coffee. The color is exactly the same as the sugar candy that we made.
You're slowing down.
Says the one who is not helping. Oh, it's gotten a little creamier. We have hope. We have hope for this humanity, people. We can do this. But guys, I really recommend the 8 thing because it saves so much energy. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Have you guys watched the Princess and the Frog? Okay, no one did. I love that Disney film. I hope this really tastes good. I'm gonna whip this 20 more times and I'm gonna stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that was 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19! 19! Let me taste this. Tastes good. I'm gonna get my milk. Just a little bit. There aren't that many. Oh, I want to make it really pretty. It's actually really satisfying, guys. I'm just gonna quickly whip up the version 2 and I'm gonna add it here. Okay guys, so it's round 2. Let's go and do it with our trusted whipping machine here. So because I want there to be a little bit more of the foam, I'm gonna go double. This much, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, here it goes. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, I think we are more than ready. Ooh, do you see the cream coming up? There. Okay, so this has cooled down, our sugar candy, our dalgona. So wish me luck, guys. Oh my god, I'm so scared. What if I break it? I wanna quit. This is what has survived. I'm gonna put it on my original because this was my firstborn. I'm gonna decorate the rest with the little bits that are left behind. Okay, that's it, guys. let's go and do the taste test. Okay guys, I'm gonna try the original one first. I'm really excited. So the way you eat it, you have to mix it with the milk. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this and try. The really thick foam and the mixture with the milk is absolutely on point. Do you see the heart? And now I'm gonna try this one, see if it's any different. Mix. You thought the mixing was done when you finished the foam, but no, when you have to eat this coffee, you have to mix it well. Okay guys, I'm gonna be very honest with you. The one that I made with the whipping machine is much more creamier, so soft. This is so good. So I hope you enjoyed our video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe for our video. And also, please let us know in the comments if you actually made this during your quarantine time. So guys, please stay at home, please be safe, and don't forget to watch out for your neighbors or other elderly people that need your help. This was Phoebe from Krazy Thursday. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.